Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the NCERT exemplar problems of periodic classification of element chapter 5 of class 10 science. So the first question is based on the limitation of law of octaves. Up to which element the law of octave was found to be applicable? Options are oxygen, calcium, cobalt, potassium. So here answer is calcium. Now the next question is according to Mendeleev periodic law, the elements were arranged in periodic table in order of. So this is a Mendeleev periodic law. A Mendeleev, it is based on increasing atomic masses. So option are increasing atomic number, decreasing atomic number, no. So C here is the correct answer, that is increasing atomic mass. This is a very important Mendeleev periodic law which states that elements are periodic function of their increasing atomic mass. Now the next question, in Mendeleev periodic table the gaps were left for the element to be discovered later. Which of the following elements were found in place in the periodic table later? Option germanium, chlorine, oxygen, silicon. So here answer is germanium. Next is the fourth question. Which of the following statement about the modern periodic table is incorrect? About the modern periodic table. The element in the modern periodic table are arranged on the basis of their decreasing atomic number. No, this is incorrect because they are arranged in increasing atomic number. Second point, the element in the modern periodic table are arranged on the basis of their increasing atomic masses. No, this is also incorrect because in case of Mendeleev it is arranged in increasing atomic masses. Isotopes are placed in adjoining groups in the periodic table. No. And last option, the elements in the modern periodic table are arranged on the basis of their increasing atomic number. So fourth option here is correct. But in the question it is asked which statements are incorrect. So first, second and third. That is first, second and third. B option here is the answer because these statements are incorrect. Now the next question, which of the following statement about the modern periodic table is correct? So options are, it has 18 horizontal rows. Horizontal rows, no, it is incorrect because it has 18 columns. It has 7 vertical columns known as period, no, incorrect. It has 18 vertical columns known as group, yes, this statement here is correct. It has 7 horizontal rows known as group, no, that is known as period. So option C here is correct, that it has 18 vertical column. Now the next question is, which of the given elements A, B, C, D and E with atomic number 2, 3, 7, 10 and 30 respectively belong to the same period? Now what is the property of period? That element in a period have a same number of shells. So if we write down A, B, C, D and E, and if we write down their configuration, so in the first case it is 2 electron, so A having 2, B has 3, it is 2, 1, then 7, 2, 5, then 10 which means 2, 8, then 30 which means 2, 8, 8 and so on. In this case only B, C and D have 2 shells because E must have greater than 2 shells, so it is not in the criteria. A has only 1 shell, it is not in the same period. So option B, C and D, these 3 present in the same period. That is option B here is the correct answer. Next question is, the element A, B, C, D and E have atomic number 9, 11, 17, 12 and 13. Which pair of element belongs to the same group? Now the same group has the property that it must have same number of valence electron. So here any of the element having same number of valence electron will belong to the same group. So if atomic number is 9, so its configuration will be 2, 7. If atomic number is 11, its configuration will be 2, 8, 1. If it is 17, it will be 2, 8, 7. If it is 12, it is 2, 8, 2. If it is 13, it will be 2, 8, 3. So now which one having the same number of valence electron? A and C. So which means option C here is the correct. Now if this question is framed in this way, which of the following pairs belong to the same period? So which contains same number of shells, which means all these B, C, D, E all belongs to the same period. But here we are asking about the group, which means they have same valence electron, that is A and C here. Next, where would you locate the element with the electronic configuration 2, 8 in the modern periodic table? Now 2, 8 means it is a noble gas and noble gas belongs to the group 18. So here option C is the correct answer. An element which is essential constituent of all the organic compound belongs to. Now as we have done carbon and its compound, and carbon is the most essential element, so it is belonging to group 14, that is B here is the answer, group 14, because carbon is the most essential constituent of all organic compound here. Now next is, which of the following is the outermost shell of the elements of period second? Now if it is period 1, then it is a K shell is the outermost shell. For period 2, KL, the option B here is the correct, that is L shell is the outermost shell. Now next, which of the following element exhibit maximum number of valence electrons? So we must know the atomic number of every element. Sodium atomic number 11, configuration 281, so only 1 will be the valence electron. Aluminium atomic number 13, 283, so 3 will be the valence electron. And silicon atomic number 14, 284 will be the valence electron. Phosphorus atomic number 15, so 5 will be the valence electron. So here D is the option, that is phosphorus contain the maximum number of valence electron. Next, which of the following gives the correct increasing order of atomic radii of oxygen, fluorine and nitrogen? So first of all, write the atomic number of O, F and N. O having 8, 9 and 7. Now we arrange them in increasing order, that will be N, O, F, and along the period atomic size decreases. Now why the atomic size decreases? Because number of electron increases, proton increases, nuclear strength increases, effective nuclear charge increases, hence size decreases, which means fluorine will be the smallest one. Now we have to arrange them in increasing order, which means F will comes first because it has the smallest size, then O and then N. So F, O, N, which means D here is the correct answer. Next, which of the following element has the largest atomic radii? Now these are the element which I think belongs to two different groups here, and we have to find out which one have the largest atomic radii. So when we arrange them, so sodium comes above in a group, then potassium, then magnesium and calcium. So these two first and second group elements are given to you. Now along the period size decreases, which means sodium has the greater size, and down the group size increases, which means potassium has greater size than the sodium. So here option potassium is there. ठीक है, एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर रही हूँ मैं, आपको जो ऑप्शन दी हैं पहले तो उन्हें आप ग्रुप में अरेंज करें. अब ग्रुप में जो सबसे टॉप पे है पीरियड में उसकी सबसे ज़्यादा साइज होगा, तो अगर सोडियम और मैग्नीशियम में कंपेयर किया जाए तो सोडियम का साइज़ ग्रेटर है, पोटेशियम और कैल्शियम में पोटेशियम का साइज़ ग्रेटर है. अब इन दोनों को कंपेयर करते हैं. सो डाउन द ग्रुप नंबर ऑफ शेल्स इंक्रीजेस, so potassium must have the greatest size here, that is option C here is the correct answer. Now the next question, which of the following would lose an electron easily? Now again options are same, that is magnesium, sodium, potassium and calcium. So the element which possesses the greatest size which can easily lose electron, so in this case potassium will be the answer, because in above we have easily find out that potassium has the bigger size among all these four elements, so it can easily, we can say, lose electron. Now next question, which of the following element does not lose an electron easily? Now does not lose an electron is the property of a non-metal. So options are sodium, magnesium, fluorine, aluminium. Out of these 4 elements, 3 are metals. So they have the tendency to lose electron. So which does not have? So answer here will be the fluorine. And one more way to solve this kind of a question, if all 4 non-metals are given to you, then the one which is having the smallest size will not lose an electron easily. Now the next question, which of the following are the characteristics of isotopes of an element? Isotopes of an element have a same atomic mass? No, they have a different atomic mass. Isotope of element have same atomic number? Yes, this is the property. Isotope of element shows same physical properties? No. Isotope of element shows the same chemical properties? Yes. So option 2 and 4th here is the correct answer. Next question, arrange the following elements in order of their decreasing metallic character. Now metallic character decrease along the period, so all these elements belongs to same period. So first arrange in a correct sequence of a period here, that is in increasing atomic number. So first come will be the sodium because it is having atomic number 11, then comes the magnesium, then aluminium, then silicon, then chlorine. So these are the elements in increasing atomic number. So now the question is in order of their decreasing metallic character. Now along the period metallic character decreasing, so this is the correct sequence, that is sodium has greater than magnesium, then so on. So which one having sodium at option 1, B and C, then magnesium, so B. So 17B is the correct answer. Now next is arrange the following element in order of their increasing non-metallic character. Now non-metallic character is increase along the period, metallic decrease and non-metallic increase along the period. So first of all arrange them in a particular sequence of periodic table. So lithium comes first, then beryllium, then carbon, then oxygen, then fluorine. Now if we have to arrange them in increasing metallic character, so again, so since fluorine has the maximum metallic character will comes in the last, and the lithium which have the least non-metallic character, and we have to arrange them in, we can say increasing, so from least to maximum, that is lithium less than beryllium less than carbon less than oxygen less than fluorine. So here B will be the correct option because lithium has the least non-metallic character. Non-metallic character increases along the period, which means fluorine possesses the maximum non-metallic character. Now which type of oxide would an Aka aluminium form? Aka aluminium. Now aluminium we know have a valency of 3, so with oxygen it form the oxide Al2O3. So again will be the Aka, that is E2O3 will be the oxide which it is forming, that is C here is the option. Aka aluminium, which means the element belongs to the aluminium group, and aluminium has valency 3, so E must have valency 3, so it will be forming the similar oxide, that is E2O3. Now 3 elements boron, silicon and germanium are metal, non-metal, metalloids, or metal, non-metal and metalloids. So these all 3 elements are metalloids, that is option C here is the correct answer. Which of the following element will form an acidic oxide? Now acidic oxide is formed by a non-metal here. An element with atomic number 7, 7 means configuration 2, 5, 5 valence electron, which means it is a non-metal. Element with atomic number 3, configuration will be 2, 1, it will be a metal. With 12 it is 2, 8, 2, again it is a non-metal. 19 it will be 2, 8, 8, 1. So again this will be a metal. So here only first option is a non-metal, which means an element with atomic number 7 will form an acidic oxide. Next, the element with atomic number 14 is hard. Atomic number 14 is hard and form acidic oxide and a covalent halide. To which of the following categories does the element belongs? Now atomic number 14 means it is 2, 8, 4 is the configuration. And 4 in the outermost shell, it cannot be metal. Now, non-metal, if it is carbon, then it is a non-metal. But since it is atomic number 14, which means it is a silicon, so it is a metalloid here. So to which of the following category does the belong? So answer here will be metalloid. So in order to do all these questions easily, first of all learn the atomic number in sequence for the first 20 element, and you must learn to which group a particular element belong. Which one of the following depict the correct order representation of atomic radii of an element? So these are the options. The first is not the atomic radii because it is the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell. Now second is the atomic radii because here the outermost shell is only the K shell. So the distance between the nucleus and radius is the atomic radii. So second here is the correct answer. Then option third, it is also correct because it is a distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell containing the valence electron. So 2 here also an atomic radii, and 3 also here is atomic radii, and the last one is not an atomic radii. It is only the distance between the outermost shell and the shell containing the valence electron. So here option 2 and 3 are the correct answer, where it is a atomic radii because it is distance between the nucleus and the shell containing the valence electron. Nucleus and the shell containing the valence electron. So here B here is the correct answer because second and third is the correct option. Now next question, which of the following does not increase while moving down the group? Does not increase while moving down the group. Now atomic radii increase down the group. Metallic character, yes, it increases down the group. Valence electron will remain same in a group because if it is group 1 only 1 electron, if it is group 2 only 2 valence electron. So C here is correct answer. Option D, number of shells, it is also increases down the group. So C here is the answer. On moving, next question, from left to right periodic table, the size of atom. On moving along the period, number of shell remains same, electron increases, effective nuclear charge increases, so size decreases. So here option B is the correct answer. Now which of the following set of element written in order of their increasing metallic character? Metallic character along the group, along the period. And the last question, which of the following set of elements written in order of their increasing metallic character? Now metallic character down the group increases, along the period decreases. The first set is beryllium, magnesium, calcium. It is written in a group 2 element. In group 2 element the sequence is beryllium, magnesium and calcium. So metallic character increases down the group. So this is the correct set. B option is sodium, lithium, potassium. They belong to the group but it is not the correct order because lithium comes first, then sodium and then potassium. So this is incorrect. Then magnesium, aluminium and silicon. This belongs to a period element, same period. So in the period, along the period, metallic character decreases. So this is not the sequence. Then CON, again a period element. It is not a sequence. We have to arrange an increasing metallic character. So beryllium, magnesium and calcium is the answer.